I'm gonna be honest with you, like I really hate having facial hairs. These hairs started growing back in 2019, and in this video it's not perfect, but I'm gonna be showing you how I wax my facial hairs, and I will also share a little exfoliating recipe you can try at home. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ricardina. You can call me Richie. I know you're curious to see what I've been up to, so here's a little bit of a sneak peek. I released a new song on my SoundCloud. You can go check it out. Also, follow me on Snapchat because that's where I post most of my content. I do not have Instagram anymore. My account has been permanently deleted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, I will share how I wax my facial hairs that have been growing in my chin. I am going to be using hard wax and wax warmer that I own. I've been using this face water and it's really good. I also have this glycolic acid, a gift from my friend from London. This is meant to improve the texture of the skin and kill any bacteria. It is an overnight mask. In the beginning, I had maybe 4 hairs and I started plucking them. I believe that I didn't pluck them correctly because I was always in a rush when I did that, so it triggered more hairs to grow. So I'm using a small wooden popsicle, applying the hard wax in the direction of hair growth. As you can see, the hairs on my chin also go pretty wild. They're long and they're pretty strong too. These motherfuckers grow in different directions. I mean, will you believe this? Oh my god, this is my nightmare. Like, I cannot stress enough. I am making small applications and I'm applying the wax the best way I can in the direction of growth. I didn't want to add wax on top of the pimple, but I mean, there was no way around it. I ended up touching the pimple and yeah, this is what happened. Yep. So nothing happened, everything is fine. I have to go again, and this time I just went all over it. I was like, okay, whatever, let's just get it done. Always stretch your skin because otherwise it will not remove the hairs, especially if they're strong. This is the 3rd time we're going at it. The hard wax dries pretty fast. Remember to apply in direction of growth and pull in different directions. The center in the chin, I don't have as many hairs, but I see the small facial hairs and I really don't like it. Pressing the wax against the skin so it can grasp as many hairs as possible because you have to go multiple times. Unfortunately, you do. So I'm doing my best to keep the skin stretched, and I removed it. You can see not so many hairs came out, but I feel it matches the entire dynamic of the face. Because it was nighttime, I didn't really realize that I had left few hairs, that I had missed a few hairs. So next time I'll definitely use the ring light to record. Yeah, I missed a lot of hairs this time. Now I'm applying the lotion to kind of like reduce redness and heal. I'm wiping it off with a cotton pad because I'm just afraid. I don't want any bacteria in that pimple because that pimple really was a mean pimple. It was a little mean pimple. But yeah, it was a little bit red, it was moisturized, but after the wax it was really smooth, and yeah, the pimple made it through the wax. I mean, I can't believe it. I just wanted to rip everything, like including the skin. But yeah, that's because I hate it so much. I'm sorry. I just hate these hairs so much, like. But yeah, it's now part of my life. As you can see, it's not perfect, but yeah, what I need to do is exfoliate. And this is what I'm gonna show you next. The next day, in this little shot cup, I have some shea butter and I am melting it with hot water. I am using Epsom salts, the lavender. I didn't have enough for a bath anymore, so I decided to use this little bit of Epsom salt in my face exfoliator. I got this salt at TJ Maxx. It's pretty good. This golden salt, I got it as a present. My father, I really love glitter, so I decided to add it in my exfoliator recipe. I'm adding some honey because it's thick and it thickens everything out. It also has amazing moisturizing properties. I'm adding shea butter, a little teaspoon of olive oil. I also use this in the kitchen, so yeah, I really love olive oil. Now I'm adding this lemon juice to brighten the dark spots in the face and brighten. Hopefully that pimple goes away. Now mixing everything together, I really love the color. It reminds me of the sunshine. I love that it has glitter. So this is the next morning. I can tell that my wax was not perfect, but the wounds healed pretty well. I can feel the follicles of the hairs, and that's why I'm gonna exfoliate. I have the tendency of getting ingrown hairs in my chin, and that really upsets me. So I have to exfoliate every day or every other day, otherwise it will get really bad. So I'm going in circular motion, doing my best to kind of like make sure that I smooth out and free those hair follicles so that the hair can grow properly. I love massaging my face. I love the feeling of cleanliness and smoothness. I really like having a clean face. That way I can do my makeup and I can feel more comfortable even if I don't have makeup. Like when my face is waxed, I also enjoy leaving the house with a baby face sometimes. So yeah, in the end, like I feel clean and fresh. I feel confident. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that I could inspire you to wax your chin hairs. I am so sorry that you're going through this. I am also going through this. So let's just ride together. Let me know anything that you may be doing that helps. If you are interested in these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I am hoping to make many more waxing videos and skincare videos too. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye. Stay beautiful and stay strong. Okay.